I smell the pool already.
Huh?
I already smell the pool. That's the best part about it.
I know, I smell this.
How you doing, sir?
I think we're all the way to the top.
I'm fine with that.
On me.
Oh, good. Come on first.
So if you stop me, I'm going to put it back in. Oh, we're on one floor from the top. On the first floor.
Oop.
I was right, the desk is on the side of the window.
Good. You got it?
Yeah, I got stuck to the wall.
Oh.
This is cool.
Oh, I love this lamp. The nerd in me is coming out right now. I like this lamp.
We got real cups. We don't
It's a
have
bar.
plastic shit. We got real legit
Ooh.
cups. And we got a nice sized refrigerator. Which I can't. Oh.
He has a freezer part room too.
That'd be so nice if we could actually do go get snack stuff.
Trash can and recycle bin.
Oh, that's good.
So here's the bed A, bed B, and I like this JBL. I mean, JBL's a good brand. I don't know. I didn't know they made clocks and stuff.
Alright,
But anyways, guys, this is the first time I'm actually talking to you guys. You all just saw like a lot of stock footage and crap. Oh, you have a chair. That's dope. I might use the chair if I have to edit something. But anyways, guys, welcome to the first episode of the Chicago vlogs. This is going to be a lot of fun, hopefully. For everyone who does not know what's going on, it's just me and this person right here. That's
Hey, y'all.
my mom. And we are just going to be kind of just lounging around, but also, you know, I'm going to be doing some vlogs here and there. And then there's a little lens flare on there if I focus on myself, but I can't. So let's just turn this around. Amazing. So we got here way later than expected. We were supposed to get here at 1:30. Check-in wasn't until 3, which was fine. But the train was delayed. We were supposed to leave at 7:55, and we left at like 9:10.
Oh, check this shit out.
Oh, I'm trying to. Oh, whoa.
I'm freaking in love with this right now.
That is weird, but cool.
Exactly.
So the entire mirror is the light up. I like this. That probably sounds weird, but it's just like, it's really nice and it's
Nice,
sleek.
a nice mirror.
This is the bathroom. Gay.
Yeah. There's
Then
a shower.
nice, decent little shower. That hasn't been cleaned out in a while.
And you can definitely tell that everywhere.
But that's okay. I'm not too worried about it.
I guess all of our linens are in there.
If I had to take a guess, we can.
Well, some are there. Oh, there's storage under there.
No, storage.
So we do have some.
We can always ask for more.
Yeah, I think we have one more spot.
That's fine.
So.
We have that. And then we have the passage door
Yep, for adjoining room.
for adjoining room. So we don't do that. We're not going to go into someone else's random room. And we have a little, oh, that's nice. We have a little light like right here. So whenever we leave or whatever, we just have a little.
Yeah, light switch also lights up if you turn the light on.
Yeah, that's what this one does. And this I'll show you guys too. Boop. Glow in the dark light switch. So,
Light this up for me.
yeah. Decent little closet area. And we have a safe in there too, if we need to store our valuables. So there is a little room tour for you. So what I'm gonna do today is that we're not gonna be doing a whole lot. I'm gonna show you guys around whenever me and my mom get set up and stuff like that. We're actually gonna go to kind of like, I don't want to say take a tour, but we're kind of just going to look around the hotel and stuff. And I just want to show you guys this too. This is just very, very decent view out to the parking lot. I don't know what that building is over there, but you know, a very decent little area to look at. You know, brings in some natural sunlight, which is always nice. But
TV too.
we'll do that. It was like a 55-inch TV, and it's from Samsung, so you already know it's good. It's from Samsung. So Anyways, so I'm gonna get off here so I can start setting up some stuff, and then I'll bring you guys with us when we do like look around the hotel and stuff. Okay, so now if we turn this way, all right, we have this, right?
Oh, right there.
That's what I was thinking. Is like, you know, like 'cause right here is the elevators and stuff. Alabama, yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice. So we have air conditioning here too, electrical room, but I think it's time for us to go down. Fitness center and pool. I'm not gonna put the camera in there, so there's some like random guy in there. I don't want that to be like weird. Is anyone in the pool? There isn't. So that's the pool. It's not bad. So have like a area to go outside and stuff. Oh, it's very nice in here. So not bad. I thought you said there was a hot tub.
Huh?
I thought you said there was a hot tub.
It looks like
Oh wow, even though it's 20 meters, so
yeah.
3 feet, 4 feet,
I still will.
5 feet. Oh yeah. Then this is, I guess this is where like all the electrical stuff is for it. And then obviously like, no lifeguard on duty, children under the age of 14 should not use the pool without an adult attendance. Not bad. Yeah, it's a very nice pool as well. Not horrible. Oh yeah. Here, let me show you guys in. Whoa, no, I'm joking. I would ruin this camera and then I would cry. I would fully cry and this camera like drop in there. Oh, that's cool. Oh, nice.
I guess you need to and go back.
If I put it in this when you're done, you just grab it for over here. Nice. First aid available on front desk and a fire extinguisher. Slippery when wet, we already know that. Very cool little area. I'm not going to show you guys the walk back. Oh, that's nothing fancy. So, again, I would show you the fitness center, but there is a guy working on there, and I'd rather not do that. It'd be kind of weird. I was like, hey, is it okay if I film you while you're working out? Is that cool? Sure, yeah, okay. So, yeah, running ahead back out to the front desk. I'm gonna ask a few questions, and then I'll show you guys the rest of like the main floor. Other side. They even have like sandwiches in there. That was pretty good. So, this is the Cool Nativity La Zone. Pretty nice. It's two Lenovo ThinkCentre all-in-ones. I don't think these are the touchscreen models. Yeah, these are the. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, the other touchscreen models. Okay. So it's not bad for the Lenovo ThinkCentres. Probably I think those are the $799 ones. I think. They're not horrible. I mean, this is kind of the like dining slash like sitting like area. It's not bad. I mean, just nice little areas here and there. You have TVs all around, so you can watch like, the game and stuff. Yeah, it's just a nice, just like in general area. There's a bar and stuff, which I'm not going to show since there's people doing stuff. Nice little sitting area. Can you? Look, you out. There's four on that side too. So this is pretty cool. Just plugging your stuff. This is a huge like area. I guess. I mean, it's not bad. It's only 623 as well. Yeah. There you go. Oh wow. This. No, it's not focusing. Well, the reason why I think is just because it's a very slow thing. Gosh, this thing is huge. It ain't going. I'll probably lose where I am. I got like sleepwalk or something. Just like lose where I am. Just have no idea what I'm doing. I was like right there, just lying on. It's like right, like, and it's a corner chair too. So I'm just gonna be like, my head is going to be like over the rail. My body's gonna be right there. In other words, how to kill yourself. Oh boy. That's good. My pancakes are better than your mom's. That's a hard thing to say. Then we have a nice window. Life. Oh! Okay, so I asked like the front desk person, because there's no like input or stuff on this like remote, and so I asked the person, and that company, the LodgeNet company, actually does not allow different inputs, which means that we can only watch TV on the TV. So I bought this really nice like $30 cable for absolutely nothing.
But then again, we needed one at home.
Oh yeah, and this one was a 4K HDR one as well, which I'll be using for a later project, which I'll talk to you guys about later on. But it kind of sucks because and he even, me and him were like even saying that, you know, it's like for people like me who, you know, I was telling him that, you know, I do this vlogging thing, that's why I have a camera and stuff like that, you know. And I'm saying that, you know, I don't take pictures of guests or anything. I'm just doing my little thing, just doing vlogs and stuff. And I was going to like to like put this TV more as like a sideways thing, so I could actually edit on the TV, you know, make it nice and big and shit like that, so I can have a much better timeline and stuff, so I don't have to worry about going up and down and stuff like that. And that's kind of a little bit annoying, and it's really not good for the guests as well. So hopefully whenever that contract's up, I don't know when that'll be up with the people, but hopefully they'll get that contract out, because this place is like a very big place for business. Like when we were working through that hall, most of that hall was like a lot of business things. So that kind of sucks. But anyways, we're gonna get some food. I'll take a picture and stuff on my phone and shit like that. But I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna ingest this footage onto the laptop, and I'm gonna upload part 1 of the Nintendo versus ROM site stuff and put that as a scheduled release for Saturday afternoon. So you guys at least have something on Saturday. I might post it on, yeah, Saturday probably. But anyways, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna get some food, and then we'll be back. And hey, who knows? We might even go swimming.